Flame, Hadouken, Chili, an ultimate flame, Hadouken, chili dog.
Hadouken!
Yeah! We making that flame Hadouken chili and my hair's cold! What? Oh yeah. Got Yoga Flame jalapenos! Yeah, look at them Yoga Flame jalapenos. Some more Yoga Flame jalapenos. Throw it all in. You know how we get it down up in here? Chunk nasty. Oh yeah. And we got these habaneros. Bam! Flames! Yeah, we're starting off with 2 cups of water. Yeah! Then we gotta get the seasons up in there. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. That wasn't a full tablespoon, so we give it a little bit more. Tablespoon of crushed red pepper. Flame Hadouken chili. 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. It's a little bit more. Trying to get it accurate. Just for kicks, a couple of sprinkles of this black pepper on there. Yeah. You know what it is. Getting it in. We turn this heat down to 4 real quick. Put this spoon up in here. Get this going a little bit. Just in case you don't know, this is the Flame Hadouken chili. Alright, and we add a little bit more water into here, because it's about to get dangerous. Alright. Then we got some DJ Elf Frio black beans. Put them in there. Add the onions. Oh yeah. Add the onions in. Elf fools trying to perpetrate. Tablespoon of garlic powder. El Senor Smooth. Then you gotta add the fire roasted tomatoes. Yeah, get those in there. Yeah, some more of those in there. Mix that around. Starting to become the chili. We're gonna turn this back up to high. Then we're gonna add some green peppers. Yeah, might add some more of these in there later. Then we gotta add in the corn with the chilies. Oh yeah. It's going down! Another tablespoon of chili powder. Now we're just gonna let this sit up and chill and cook and simmer for a little bit. And then we're about to get the meat ready. My bad, we forgot to put those jalapenos and habaneros up in there. Now we got them up in there. Gonna be kicking fireballs and Hadoukens up in your mouth. Yeah. Oh yeah, now it's time to add in the beef. Chop this baby up. Oh yeah, we got that cooking, so we're gonna break that down. Then we're gonna bring it over here. Yeah, we got the chili juices over here sizzling. Get my stir on. Got a lot of color in there. Gonna bring it back to the meat. Make sure you break the meat down good. Dropping combos on this meat. Got a hurricane kick happening. Sizzling. I'm gonna start shoveling in some of this meat. And more meat. More meat. And more meat. Yeah, because we got the meat brown. And more meat. More meat. More meat. More meat. More meat. Oh, we're gonna have to start stirring this. Get that in there. Get in there. Get in there. Before I whoop your butt. Don't make me call Chung Lee out. That's a lot of meat. But what's chili without meat? I'm sweating over here. It's hot in this kitchen from this fireball chili. Yeah. And just when you thought the meat is over, there's more meat. Some salt. Some more chili powder. Some more cayenne pepper. And what do next? You let it sit for a long time. And shout out to my homie Woo. Hope this fits in my bento box. Oh yeah, we about to get it in. So we got the Hebrew National beef, hot dogs, kosher. You know how we get it in. Bam! Getting it in. Now we're gonna put the oven on broil and prepare for one of our steps. You're gonna get that nice, even color on all of it. So we rotate them. That's what we call the dog flipping over here. And while we're doing this, we're gonna get the buns ready. Oh yeah. There's some more of these rotations up in here. You know, get that nice charred flavor on there. It's good for the chili dog. Especially when you make the most bossing chili dogs in the world. You just gotta dab them. Just gotta dab them sometimes. Now it's time to start constructing them. First thing we gotta do, you gotta get the buns. You gotta put the dogs in the buns. The dogs gotta get the buns. You gotta stick the meat in the buns. Oh yeah. Just getting it in there. Real deep. Oh yeah. So we got that going. Next step. After that, we gotta get some chili on there. You know how we do that. So I'm gonna get over here, get some of this chili mixed up real quick, get a big scoop of it, and I'm bringing it to the dogs. Alright, got a big scoop of chili right there. Oh yeah. Fresh chili. Straight for the dogs all the time. Okay. Bam! Got the chili on the dogs. You know what else you need? Cheese! Oh yeah. Not just any cheese. Kosher cheese! All right, we got them out of the oven, and we got the cheese broiled. You know what you gotta do? Damn, I got mustard on my camera. Exploded. Put the mustard on here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, after that, you might need to get a napkin. Got a little wild up in here. Camera wants to get clean. OG, camera. Sorry for all the mustard that we put on you. It was an incident of war, my friend. I got real close to the lens. Oh man. So it's cool. All right. After the mustard, gotta add some OG cut onions. Always fresh flavor. Don't need no cognac on them. Cause they OG. Put cognac in the OG while he cutting the onions. Alright, we gotta put the sour cream on the dogs. Yeah. Squeeze it out like a pastry bag. I'm just saying. That's if you want it to look neat. I'm a man! It's just gonna get eaten. Flame Hadoken Ultimate Chili Dogs.